The Merge Cells feature in Google Sheets is a convenient tool that enables you to combine multiple selected cells into one. This is particularly useful for formatting, such as creating a header that extends across multiple columns or rows. I have added a header in cell A1 of the spreadsheet. I would like to format it so that it is centered across columns A, B, and C. We can use the Merge Cells feature to do this. To merge cells, first select a cell range. One quick note, when you perform a horizontal merge, the data from the top leftmost cell in the selection is preserved. All other cells' contents are deleted, so use caution with this feature to avoid accidental data loss. Next, click the Merge Cells button on the toolbar. Cells A1, B1, and C1 have been merged. You can unmerge the cells by clicking the Select Merge Type drop-down arrow to the right of the Merge Cells button. Next, select Unmerge. The cells are unmerged and the cell borders are once again present between A1, B1, and C1. I want to keep the cells merged, so I will click the Merge Cells button once again. Next, I will horizontally align the header to be centered. Finally, let's add a fill color to make the header stand out more. In this lesson, you learned how to use the Merge Cells feature to combine multiple cells into one.